वो रो रहा है और ऊपर से तुम हंस रहे हो। He is crying on top of that you are laughing. He is crying on top of that you are laughing. सच कहने में क्या हर्ज है? What is the harm in telling the truth? What is the harm in telling the truth? मुझे नई किताबों की खुशबू बहुत पसंद है। I love the smell of new books. I love the smell of new books. ये तुम्हें चौंका देने वाला होगा। This would be shocking for you. This would be shocking for you. बात बदलने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't try to put off the matter. Don't try to put off the matter. मुझे बदले में क्या मिला? What did I get in return? What did I get in return? मैंने तुमसे वादा किया था। I had promised you. मैंने तुमसे वादा किया था। I had promised you. अपने आप को कभी अकेला मत समझना। Never consider yourself alone. Never consider yourself alone. मैं ये जरूर बोल सकता हूँ। I can say this for certain. I can say this for certain. मैंने बहुत समय से तुम्हें नहीं देखा। I didn't see you for a long time. I didn't see you for a long time. मैं सुबह से बाहर था। I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. झूठ के पाँव नहीं होते। A lie has no legs. A lie has no legs. तुम जाओ या ना जाओ, मैं तो जाऊंगा। I will go whether you go or not. I will go whether you go or not. तुम रुको या ना रुको, मैं तो रुकूंगा। I will stay whether you stay or not. I will stay whether you stay or not. मुझे रास्ते में मेरा दोस्त मिल गया। I met my friend on the way. I met my friend on the way. उसे नौकरी नहीं मिल पाई। He couldn't find a job. He couldn't find a job. देखते ही देखते रात हो गई। It became night in no time. It became night in no time. वो मुझे कहीं भी नहीं मिला। I couldn't find him anywhere. I couldn't find him anywhere. तुम्हें उनका घर आसानी से मिल जाएगा। You will find their house easily. You will find their house easily. ये सब तुम्हारे दिमाग का वहम है। This is all a figment of your mind. This is all a figment of your mind. यहाँ इतना अंधेरा क्यों है? Why is it so dark in here? Why is it so dark in here? तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी होगी। You have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. हर कोई तुम्हारे इशारे पर नहीं चलेगा। Not everyone will follow your instruction. Not everyone will follow your instruction. तुम इतना नौटंकी क्यों करते हो? Why do you do so much gimmick? Why do you do so much gimmick? मैंने अपने क्लास में टॉप किया है। I have topped in my class. I have topped in my class. उसकी संगति अच्छी नहीं है। His company is not good. His company is not good. मैं उसके मुकाबले कुछ नहीं हूँ। I am nothing compared to him. I am nothing compared to him. मुझे भी तुमसे बात करने का कोई शौक नहीं है। I am also not interested in talking to you. I am also not interested in talking to you. तुम्हें इतना गुस्सा किस बात का है? What are you so angry about? What are you so angry about? हमारी दोस्ती के किस्से सुनाए जाएंगे. Tales of our friendship will be told. Tales of our friendship will be told. हम दोनों हमेशा दोस्त रहेंगे. We will always be friends. We will always be friends. मुझे ऐसे ही अदरक और इलायची वाली चाय पसंद है. I love this type of ginger and cardamom tea. I love this type of ginger and cardamom tea. हमारे छत से पानी टपक रहा है. Water is dripping from our ceiling. Water is dripping from our ceiling. वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ सैर पर गया है. He has gone for a walk with his friends. He has gone for a walk with his friends. हंसना तो सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है. Laughter is good for health. Laughter is good for health. आज मुझे पार्टी में जाना है. Today I have to go to the party. Today I have to go to the party. मुझे आज बहुत सारे काम निपटाने हैं. I have a lot of work to do today. I have a lot of work to do today. मैं उसे जानती तक नहीं हूँ. I don't even know him. I don't even know him. तुमने यह ड्रेस कहाँ से लिया है? Where did you get this dress from? Where did you get this dress from? मेरा फ़ोन काम नहीं कर रहा है. My phone is not working. My phone is not working. इतना ज़्यादा बोलना अच्छा नहीं होता. It is not good to talk too much. It is not good to talk too much. ठीक है, जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी. Okay, as you wish. Okay, as you wish. बच्चों को खेलने का वक्त ही नहीं मिलता. Children don't get time to play. Children don't get time to play. खैर छोड़ो इन बातों को. Well, leave these things. Well, leave these things. मैं ट्यूशन जा रही हूँ. I am going to tuition. मैं ट्यूशन जा रही हूँ. I am going to tuition. मैं बाहर नहीं आ पाऊँगी. I will not be able to come out. I will not be able to come out. आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा कट रही है. The sound is cutting off a lot. The sound is cutting off a lot. तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है? What is running in your mind? What is running in your mind? तुम इस वक्त कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going at this time? Where are you going at this time? तुम्हारा वहाँ रहना ठीक नहीं है. It's not right for you to stay there. It's not right for you to stay there. आपको गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए. You shouldn't get angry. You shouldn't get angry. तुम सच्चाई छुपाने की कोशिश कर रही हो. You are trying to hide the truth. You are trying to hide the truth. तुम भरोसे के लायक नहीं हो. You are not trustworthy. You are not trustworthy. और किसने इस काम को किया? Who else did this work? Who else did this work? अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखो. Take care of your family. Take care of your family. लेकिन उन्हें कौन समझाएगा? But who will make them understand? But who will make them understand? किसने सिखाया ये सब तुम्हें? Who taught you all this? Who taught you all this? ये पैसे कहाँ से आए तुम्हारे पास? From where did you get the money? From where did you get the money? और अगर ये सच हो गया तो? And if this came true then? And if this came true then? आपको अचानक क्या हो गया? What happened suddenly to you? What happened suddenly to you? मैं यहाँ चाय के लिए नहीं आया था. I didn't come here for tea. I didn't come here for tea. मगर वो समझता ही नहीं है. But he doesn't understand. But he doesn't understand. ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है. This is not an easy task. This is not an easy task. मैं कभी तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोल सकता. I can never lie to you. I can never lie to you. सिर्फ तुम ही उसे मना सकती हो. Only you can convince him. Only you can convince him. मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am not talking about that. I am not talking about that. मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything wrong? कोई इतनी जल्दी हार कैसे मान सकता है? How can anybody give up so soon? How can anybody give up so soon? तुम मेरा इंतजार कर रही हो? Are you waiting for me? Are you waiting for me? उसकी याददाश्त चली गई. She lost her memory. उसकी याददाश्त चली गई. She lost her memory. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है. This is enough for today. This is enough for today. मैं किसी भी तरह उनका गुस्सा ठंडा कर दूंगा. I will cool her temper anyhow. I will cool her temper anyhow. क्या तुम्हें सब कुछ मंजूर है? Is everything acceptable to you? Is everything acceptable to you? मैं तुम्हारा मजाक नहीं उड़ाऊंगा. I won't make fun of you. I won't make fun of you. हम लोग तो बस मजाक कर रहे हैं. We are just kidding. We are just kidding. दरवाजा खोल कर देख लीजिए. Open the door and see. Open the door and see. जो कुछ पूछना चाहते हो जल्दी पूछो. Ask whatever you wish to ask quickly. Ask whatever you wish to ask quickly. जितना बोलना है बोल लो तुम. Speak as much as you want. Speak as much as you want. तुम ही तो हो हमारी परेशानियों की जड़. You are the reason of our problems. You are the reason of our problems. मैं बाकी लोगों की तरह नहीं हूँ. I am not like the rest of the people. I am not like the rest of the people. सब ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों करते हैं? Why everyone does this to me? Why everyone does this to me? मैंने डर के मारे झूठ बोला. I lied out of fear. I lied out of fear. तुम इज्जत के लायक नहीं हो. You don't deserve respect. You don't deserve respect. खुशियाँ खरीदी नहीं जा सकती. Happiness can't be bought. Happiness can't be bought. खुशियाँ अंदर से आती है. Happiness comes from within. Happiness comes from within. मैंने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया. As of now, I haven't eaten. As of now, I haven't eaten. मैंने काम अभी तक पूरा नहीं किया. I haven't done work as of now. I haven't done work as of now. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद करूँगा. I would like to have pizza. I would like to have pizza. क्या आप कुछ चावल लेंगे? Would you like to have some rice? Would you like to have some rice? वो नकद भुगतान करना चाहेगा. He would like to pay in cash. He would like to pay in cash. मैं ये रेड शर्ट लेना पसंद करूँगा. I would love to buy this red shirt. I would love to buy this red shirt. क्या आज तुम मेरे साथ रात का खाना खाओगे? Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? मैं उसे नहीं जानता, शायद वो जानता है. I don't know him, perhaps he knows. I don't know him, perhaps he knows. उसने हाँ कहा या शायद ना. He said yes or maybe no. He said yes or maybe no. वह अभी तक सो रहा है. He is still sleeping as of now. He is still sleeping as of now. वह अभी तक यहाँ नहीं आया. He hasn't come here as of now. He hasn't come here as of now. शायद वो सही उम्मीदवार हो सकता है. He may be the right candidate. He may be the right candidate. शायद उनसे मदद करने के लिए कहा जा सकता है. They may be asked for help. They may be asked for help. वो पिट जाएगा. He would be beaten up. वो पिट जाएगा. He would be beaten up. ये आज हो जाएगा. This would be done today. ये आज हो जाएगा. This would be done today. वो आसानी से बेवकूफ़ बन जाएगा. He would be scammed easily. He would be scammed easily. उसे करीब 500 रुपए दिए जाएंगे. He would be given around ₹500. He would be given around ₹500. ये गाड़ी आसानी से चोरी हो जाएगी. This car would be stolen easily. This car would be stolen easily. तुम्हें बहुत परेशानी होने वाली है. You would be facing a lot of trouble. You would be facing a lot of trouble. अपनी मनहूस शक्ल मुझे मत दिखाओ. Don't show me your jinxed face. Don't show me your jinxed face. तुम अभी ज़्यादा परेशान लग रहे हो. You look more disturbed now. You look more disturbed now. उसने तुम्हें ज़रूर फ़ोन किया होगा. He must have called you. He must have called you. अनजान बनने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't play innocent with me. Don't play innocent with me. हमने जल्दबाजी में नाश्ता किया. We had a hasty breakfast. We had a hasty breakfast. हमने जल्दबाजी में बातचीत की. We had a hasty conversation. We had a hasty conversation. मेरे पास बात करने का समय नहीं था. I didn't have time to talk. I didn't have time to talk. उसने अपने ज्ञान का फ़ायदा उठाया. She took advantage of her knowledge. She took advantage of her knowledge. उसने मेरी दोस्ती का फ़ायदा उठाया. He took advantage of my friendship. He took advantage of my friendship. उसकी सादगी का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो. Think of doing something big. Think of doing something big. सब तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं होते. All are not like you. सब तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं होते. All are not like you. मैं वहाँ रुक कर करूँगा क्या? What will I do by staying there? What will I do by staying there? तुम सच जानकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by knowing the truth? What will you do by knowing the truth? बीमारी फैल रही है. The disease is spreading. The disease is spreading. आपका अगला कदम क्या होगा? What will be your next move? What will be your next move? अंदर चलकर बात करते हैं. Let's go inside and talk. Let's go inside and talk. वो एक अच्छे समाज सेवक हैं. He is a good social worker. He is a good social worker. इस बात का कोई सबूत नहीं है. There is no evidence of it. There is no evidence of it. उन्होंने हमारी बहुत मदद की है. He has helped us a lot. He has helped us a lot. मैं उनका यह एहसान कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget this favor of his. I will never forget this favor of his. क्या तुम मुझ पर एक एहसान करोगी? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? वह फिसलकर गिर गया. He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. हमारे पास बहुत समय है. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. हम अपनी मंजिल में पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. We are about to reach our destination. We are about to reach our destination. वह हर बात में मनमानी करता है. He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है. My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना होगा. I have to go to the doctor. I have to go to the doctor. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है. I haven't eaten anything since morning. I haven't eaten anything since morning. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें सफलता दिलाए. May Almighty grant you success. May Almighty grant you success. कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. मुझे काफ़ी डर लग रहा था. I was feeling very scared. I was feeling very scared. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूँगा. I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. मैं न्यूज़पेपर रोज पढ़ता हूँ. I go through the newspaper every day. I go through the newspaper every day. वह हमेशा मेरे रास्ते में टांग अड़ाता है. He always stands in my way. He always stands in my way. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. I am not a puppet. मुझे अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करना होगा. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. मेरे फ़ोन में चार्ज नहीं है. There is no charge in my phone. There is no charge in my phone. मेरे बिस्तर पर एक लैपटॉप है. There is a laptop on my bed. There is a laptop on my bed. उसने अपनी आंखें फेर ली. She averted her eyes. She averted her eyes. उसने तो मुझे भावुक कर दिया. She made me emotional. She made me emotional. तुम भरोसेमंद हो. You are trustworthy. तुम भरोसेमंद हो. You are trustworthy. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है वहाँ जाने का. I am not fond of going there. I am not fond of going there. मैंने यह सोचा भी नहीं था. I didn't even think of it. I didn't even think of it. तुमने मेरा दिल जीत लिया है. You have won my heart. You have won my heart. मैंने अपनी यात्रा स्थगित कर दी. I postponed my trip. I postponed my trip. क्या करूं मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. What to do? I am not getting. What to do? I am not getting. अब कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. यही तो वह कर रही थी. That's what she was doing. That's what she was doing. तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? अभी मुझे बस आराम करना है. I just want to take rest right now. I just want to take rest right now. उन्होंने बुद्धिमानी से सलाह दी. He advised wisely. He advised wisely. ऐसा मत करो, यह अच्छी बात नहीं है. Don't do that. It's not nice. Don't do that. It's not nice. क्या आपके पास थोड़ा समय है? Do you have some time? Do you have some time? मुझे कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. I never got the chance. I never got the chance. क्या तुम मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो? Are you making fun of me? Are you making fun of me? क्या आप मुझे घर छोड़ सकते हैं? Can you drop me home? Can you drop me home? मैं तुम्हारा भला चाहता हूँ. I wish well for you. I wish well for you. इंतज़ार कराने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to made you wait. Sorry to made you wait. क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust on me? Don't you trust on me? उसे उठाओ और मुझे दो. Pick that up and give me. Pick that up and give me. आप उस दिन क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come that day? Why didn't you come that day? जाकर अपना कमरा समेटो. Go and tidy up your room. Go and tidy up your room. मैं आपसे कल ही बात करूँगा. I will talk to you tomorrow only. I will talk to you tomorrow only. कितने घमंडी हो आप? How arrogant you are. How arrogant you are. आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? हमें इसकी सराहना करनी चाहिए. We should appreciate it. We should appreciate it. मैं उसे अपना मानती हूँ. I consider her mine. मैं उसे अपना मानती हूँ. I consider her mine. उनके मेरे ऊपर बहुत एहसान है. I owe him a lot. I owe him a lot. सच को झुठलाया नहीं जा सकता. The truth can't be denied. The truth can't be denied. इसके लिए उस पर इल्ज़ाम मत लगाओ. Don't blame her for this. Don't blame her for this.